Claude Code just shipped a brand new product called Cowork in about a week and a half. Let that land. Not a feature. This is a warning shot. Because if a team can go from idea to real enterprise-ready shipped product in roughly 10 or 11 days, the pace of iteration is no longer quarterly, not even monthly. It's headed toward weekly, period. Hi, if you're here for the first time, I'm Troy Malone, a co-founder of Relevant AI Lab. We're an educational and implementation solution helping leaders and teams get ready for the future of work. So you don't just learn AI, you actually deploy it. And boy, is this story relevant. Now, here's what the business leaders are missing. Cowork is Anthropic's new Claude Code for the rest of your work. You give Claude access to a folder on your computer and it can read, edit, or create files in that folder. This is not chat. This is an agent operating inside your workflow, and Anthropic is calling it Research Preview, meaning this is the worst it's ever going to be. Here's the part you should care about, the build speed. 3 data points on that. Number 1, Anthropic published Cowork on January 12th, 2026 as a research preview for Claude Max subscribers on Mac OS. This is not a product demo, this is shipped software, and it's already in the hands of paying users. Number 2, reporting from outlets like VentureBeat and The Decoder says the team built it in about a sprint and a half, roughly 1.5 weeks. Even if there were prototypes beforehand, this is still a brutal compression of the last mile to release. And the third point is Boris Cherny, the Claude Code founder, publicly said Claude Code wrote all of it. And he later clarified it wasn't zero human effort. Humans planned, designed, and went back and forth with Claude, but Claude wrote the code. So when you stack it up, research preview shipped in 1.5 weeks with AI generating the code. This creates a flywheel. This isn't about AI helping developers anymore. It's about companies becoming learning machines, because faster iteration isn't just speed, it's strategy. It's capturing the market. Here's a few patterns that I noticed in all of this. Number 1, agents collapse the cost of attempts. If it's cheaper to try, you try more. If you try more, you learn faster. And if you learn faster, you ship better. One giant loop. And second, the bottleneck moves from building to deciding. Your limiting factor becomes clarity, specs, acceptance criteria, and review discipline, not just engineering, product leadership. And third, training becomes a competitive weapon. If your team can't direct agents, review outputs, and safely deploy workflows, you don't have an AI strategy, you have an AI subscription. And yes, there's risk. Anthropic explicitly warns that Cowork can take destructive actions like deleting files, and that prompt injection is still an active security area, so governance obviously has to be accelerated too. Here's the verdict. The question isn't whether your competitors will use agents, it's whether they'll use them to iterate weekly while you're still stuck in monthly planning cycles. The teams who can propose, prototype, test, and ship before the market even realizes a shift happened. It's arithmetic. Speed compounds. If you found this valuable, I'd appreciate it if you hit subscribe. Drop a comment and tell me, would you rather train your team to become agent managers or keep hiring for yesterday's workflows? And while you're at it, if you want to transform your team's skills with practical AI knowledge today, visit us at relevantailab.com. I'd love to connect.